Can we delete all reposts at once on TikTok? So first of all, open up TikTok application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. So once you're logged in, head towards your profile at the bottom right corner. That's gonna take you to your profile page. So just under your profile, there is an option to get access to all your repost video. Tap on it. And if you land on here, you will not be able to find such a built-in features which will allow you to delete all your reposts at once. So unfortunately, TikTok does not have such a built-in feature. However, you can manually remove each post individually. So here, in order to do that, tap on the video that you want to remove. And once you are here, tap on the share icon. Now here you will have an option as remove repost. Tap on it. Now this video has been removed from your repost. So you can perform the same activities with each individual videos since the TikTok does not have a built-in feature to remove all the reposts at once. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.